What's up? Welcome back to Digital Titans, and this is Casey. All of us have been in love with Google conversion tracking as long as I can remember. Now, who did not want to track those conversions and be happy looking at those numbers? Because all we wanted was to see good conversion numbers at the end of the day, right? Now, if you start looking at, there were times when I personally felt, I'm not sure about if that's the case with everybody, but there were times when I felt probably it would have been better if Google has given us a breakdown of a lot of conversions, not just have a limited number of conversion actions in terms of a sign up or in terms of a lead or a sale or viewing a particular page. I was always looking forward to that one day Google may come up with something like that, and finally it's here. So Google has released a breakdown of conversion actions, and they're giving you a more streamlined, drilled down version of the conversion actions in terms of whether it's a submit form, whether it's a get directions, whether it's getting a quote, whether it's booking an appointment, whether it's getting directions. So you don't be surprised if you see a breakdown of a further drilled down conversion action a feature on your AdWords accounts, and it's just around the corner. And I'm pretty sure that some of us are already seeing it. I will link a screenshot for that, and just to show you how it looks. Finally, Google conversion action is going to get better, much more interesting, and not just stopping at the level of a lead, but now it's going to translate further into what sort of a lead are we talking about. So that's something really interesting, and I'm really looking forward to get my hands dirty with it.